I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are ready. This reduces pairing errors. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because the watch uses both to communicate and transfer settings. Power on the watch and hold it close to the iPhone. Once you see the pairing screen on the phone, tap Continue. If the automatic screen doesn't appear, open the watch app and choose Start Pairing to begin the guided connection process. Once you tap Start Pairing, point your iPhone camera at the animated pattern on the watch face. The camera recognizes the animation to securely link devices. After pairing, decide whether to set up as new or restore from a backup. Restoring brings your apps and settings, while a fresh setup avoids clutter. Make sure you sign in with your Apple ID so iCloud, activity, and health data sync. Finally, enable features like location services and risk detection for safer, fuller functionality. You're almost done. Let the iPhone and watch finish syncing. This can take several minutes depending on data. Keep both devices close and, if battery is low, connect them to power to avoid interruptions. When sync completes, open the watch app to adjust notification settings, app layout, and complications so your watch works the way you want. If pairing fails, restart both devices and try again. If that still fails, erase and reset the Apple Watch from the watch or via the watch app as a final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.